Yeah, hi, this is Mark Freed, and this is your daily mixology lesson to help you get through the coronavirus crisis. Alcohol kills the virus, so I suggest we all use it liberally. So today we're going to make a drink called High Voltage. It has 3 ingredients, well, 4 maybe. Scotch, any brand will do. Probably not worth using a pure malt for it. Cointreau or triple sec, either one is fine. And club soda. I make my own at home. The ratio of this drink is 5 parts Scotch, 3 parts either triple sec or Cointreau, and final ingredient, lime. Lime juice out of a bottle is fine. Fresh lime's better. So all you do is, I've got my little measuring glass here. I'm going to put about 50 centiliters in the shaker of Scotch. So that's about that much. And then I'm going to take 30 centiliters of the triple sec, which I'm getting a little low on here. There we go. That's very sweet. And then another 30 centiliters of lime juice. Put a little extra in. I'm going to put the top down on my shaker. Give it a good shake. And lowball glass with ice. Pour it in. High voltage. Knock out that virus.